Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to everyone, or good morning. So today I'm going to continue with chapter 5, which is planning and producing meeting gathering. Basically, there are 7 subtopics under this chapter. So number 1, we are going to look at the SMART objective. Second one is on the site selection. The third one on the meeting budget. The fourth one on the program development and implementation, followed by registration, housing, and lastly, understanding the requirement and type of exhibition. So I hope that you can follow these videos, and if you have any question, you may ask at the comment at Kaizala as normal. Right? Thank you. Okay, this is the learning outcome. Why you have to learn learning outcome? Because it is to make sure that at the end of the chapter, you are able to, number 1, understand the planning and procedures essential in any MICE activities. Second one, you can describe the functionality of SMART objective. The third one, you can explain the site selection process and budgetary concern. And the last one, you may understand the registration, housing, and other requirements for a successful event organization. Okay, so this is the first start. You have to know what is the learning outcome. Then we are going to start with the first topics. Okay, planning and producing meeting gatherings. Organizing event is sometimes very similar, but the most important thing is you know what is the strategic approach and how you want to apply the right strategic approach, especially during planning and managing event. So whatever it is start with a clear, concise, and measurable objective. Right, this one. Okay, clear, concise, and measurable objective. And what is actually clear, concise, and measurable? Okay, so basically you have to make sure that your objective is very clear. Why you want to do that event? Contohnya, why did you attend to class? You should have very clear objective, right? So basically, what is your reason to get attendance, right? To make sure that you are not barred from the exam. Okay, that is very clear. What is the meaning of concise? Tepat, padat kan? And measurable, something yang very yang boleh diukur. Okay, so that is actually objective. So for meeting objective, the basic for virtually or component of the meeting ataupun the planning process. And of course, meeting objective is different by the goals, especially when you have event sponsor. Let's say for one event, you have a platinum sponsor. So basically the meeting objective is to satisfy the sponsor as well. And a good thing is, what you should remember, a good meeting objective should focus on attendees, not on the organizers, not on the sponsors, to make sure that everybody who attend the event is satisfied. And that is the most important thing. Even you have very nice event, you know, at most expensive place, you invited somebody that are very popular. At the end of the day, the most important thing is the attendees, your customers. Alright, because we know that for many business tagline kan, without customer there is no business. Okay, so that's why it is very important to focus on your customers.